Bye! Sakay na ko! Sakay na ko! Sakay na ko! Kayo na next! Bye-bye!
Been running from my shadow like I didn't have a choice.
This is the day at nanginginig ako sa saya. Hindi ko ma-imagine. Kasi first ever company event ko, year 2023. Andun ako sa Gen Ad. Napakalayo at parang langgam na yung mga tao dito sa baba.
I see that daylight, I see with new eyes. Oh, oh, chasing that sunrise like it's the first time. Oh,
But today, right now, I am in the 4th row. Kasi top 50 na ako ng company. And in just 17 months of process, 17 months of training, 17 months na ginagawa ko ang negosyo, na-declare ako as top 50 ng buong company. Hindi po ako marunong sa ganitong industriya. I'm just a beginner na naniwala lang na kaya ko din gawin dahil sa mga nakikita kong resulta dito sa company.
Kahit nagsisimula ka pala ngayon, kayang-kaya mo maging top 1 in the future. Unstoppable.
And right now, I am awarded as top 50 nationwide out of 6 million distributors ng buong company.
Arlene Rosahula!
just to find myself again.
Thank you so much to my community who molded me, who trained me to be top 50 ng buong company, Elites Empire. I love you so much, our founder, Empress. Thank you so much kasi isang OFW na hindi alam ano yung mangyayari for the next following years of my life. Nabigyan mo ng pag-asa, pinuhay ang pangarap. Thank you so much, AGG. Ang daming nabubuhayan ng pangarap, including me, na tanging high school lang ang natapos at naging OFW. Thank you so much, Higher Creator. I'm so excited for more. And this is just the start ng pagiging top earner ko sa buong company.
I can see the clouds break on the horizon. I can feel the dawn awaken on my skin. But I see that daylight, daylight. Daylight, daylight. Chasing that sunrise like